Every day begins with hope. Time to catch fish for my family. The river always provides. Let's see what we catch today. What we catch today? Wow! A big fish!
Oh my gosh, that is huge!
I can't believe it! My family will be happy. Home sweet home. You paraba.
You caught a big one!
Hey, tonight, we will cook something special.
Cooking with love. The fish curry is ready to serve. Woo!
And it smells absolutely delicious. Come join us for dinner.
It smells so good.
Family meals bring happiness. Fresh food from nature.
Ooh.
Let's eat together. Delicious village food.
Family time. Thank you, River.
Eat well, everyone.
This is the Mappans, the moon, the best.
No, tune me and tate. Kindness makes life better.
Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Helping each other matters. Tomorrow we fish again. Keep your eyes on the water.
Papa, look, it's moving. You got it. Teach me more.
Life is simple here. Happiness is family.
Sharing is caring.
Love, nature, and family make life beautiful.